Hello, children. I have come back once again to deliver you the online classes for the third semester, class 3. It's communicative English. For few days, I have been giving you classes, teaching you communicative English, and yesterday only I have started deliver the speech on grammar. Today, I am going to analyze adjective. You know that there are 8 parts of speech. Adjective is one of them. You must know that, you must know. I think you know what is an adjective. But do you know how many kinds of adjectives are there? What is the work of an adjective? Adjective is a describing word. It describes a noun or pronoun and so on. Says something more about a noun. Says something more about a noun. An adjective can take an adverb of degree, intensify, like to, very. It has comparative and superlative forms as well. Degree. There are 3 degrees of adjective: positive, comparative, and superlative. Most all the adjectives we use, we know they are positive, but they have comparative and superlative. There are some rules how to change from one degree to another. Adjectives in English are not affected by number or gender or case because they do not have to agree with the noun that modify. Let me give you the definition first. An adjective is an adjective is a describing word. Word is first. It says something more about. It says something more about noun. It can take an adverb of degree. It can take of degree. It can take adverb of degree. Like to or very. Like to or very. It has comparative and superlative degree. It has comparative and superlative degree. Forms as well. Superlative forms. Adjectives in English are not affected by number or gender. Or gender. Or case, because they do not have to agree have to agree with the noun they modify. Noun they modify. Clear? This is adjective, the definition, and it's about. Reading it once again. An adjective is a describing word. It says something more about a noun. It can take adverb of degree like to or very. It has comparative and superlative forms as well. Adjectives in English are not affected by number, means singular plural, or gender. There are four genders, masculine, feminine, neuter, and common gender, or case, nominative case, vocative case like that. They do not have to agree with the noun they modify. This is very clear about adjective. Now let us go back kinds of adjectives. Kinds of adjectives. Topic is kinds of adjectives. First one is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality, black, hot. Example: black, hot, good, bad, etc. etc. Number two, proper adjective. Proper adjective. Indian, American. Like this. Next, quantitative adjective. Number three, quantitative. Quantitative. Much, enough, a lot of, etc. They are all quantitative. They show the number, quantity. Number four, numerical adjective. Numerical adjective. Numerical. It denotes the number of person. It denotes the number of person or things or things. It gives the answer how many. Next, number 5, demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective. It points out a person or thing. It points out. It points out a person or thing. It gives the answer of the question which. Which. Next comes distributive adjective. Number 6. Distributive adjective. Example each. Every, either, neither. Every, either, neither. etc. Number 7. Possessive adjective. Possessive adjective. Personal pronoun in possessive case. They are personal pronoun in possessive case. Possessive case. This, that. Example. This, that, these, those. Then number 8. Interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective. What, whose, which, what, whose, which. Become interrogative adjective. Becomes adjective when they are used before noun. When they are used before noun to ask question. To ask question. Look at this. Interrogative. Interrogative means question. Example is what, whose, which. We start a question with that. What, which, whose becomes interrogative adjective when they are used before noun to ask question. If it is answer, it is not adjective. If it asks a question, then it is question and adjective. Number 9, emphasizing adjective. Number 9, emphasizing adjective. The words own and very. The words own and very become emphasizing. Become emphasizing when they are used before noun to lay emphasize. To lay emphasize. Number 10, exclamatory. Exclamatory. Number 10. Exclamatory adjective. What become exclamatory? But I thought it. Explanatory. What becomes exclamatory? When it is used before adjective when it is used before noun. Noun phrase. To arouse extreme emotion. To arouse extreme emotion. surprise, etc. Next adjective, which is uncommon, very uncommon, epithet. Epithet. Number 11. Epithet. Epithet. Use the adjective, call epithet adjective. Example: college life, war time, school bus, pen friend, cottage girl, rest house, etc. So these are the words, very common, we use it, but we don't know the grammar, what does it mean. Here, this is epithet adjective. College life. College is a separate word, life is separate. When you join together, it's college life. What time? School bus, pen friend, cottage girl, rest house, etc. These are some words, very common words we use. They are called epithet adjective. The last number is verbal adjective. What is verbal adjective? Present participle V plus ing. Present participle V plus ing. Verbal adjective. And past participle. Participle V3. Verb may be used. As adjective. As adjective by using them before noun. By using them before noun. So these are the different kinds of adjectives. Next class we shall discuss about the degrees. Yes, adjective. So I am going to repeat you once again the adjective. An adjective is a describing word. It says something more about a noun. It can take an adverb of degree like to or very. It has comparative and superlative degree forms as well. Adjectives in English are not affected by number, gender, case because they do not have to agree with the noun by modify. Kinds of adjective. Number 1, adjective of quality. Number 2, adjective, proper adjective. Example is Indian, American, European, Japanese, Chinese, Bangladeshi, Ceylonese, Assamese, like this. Number 3, quantitative adjective, much, enough, a lot of. Numeral adjective, number, how many. When we ask a question, how many, the answer comes the adjective. If it is adjective, that is numeral adjective. Then demonstrative adjective is these, that, those. Then number 6, distributive adjective, each, every, either, neither. Possessive adjective, the following personal pronoun or possessive case are called possessive adjective: my, his, her, their, it, our, your, thy, thine. This is my book. This is my book. My is an adjective, personal adjective, possessive. This is positive. Then interrogative adjective, when we ask a question, what, whose, which. Emphasizing adjective, the word own or very. Exclamatory adjective, what. Sudden emotion and surprise. Epithetical adjective, college life, school bus, pen friend, what time, gold ring, cottage girl, rest house, employment problem. Verbal adjective, V plus ing, present participle and past participle form. The said statement is interesting. These are the different kinds of adjective. I think this is enough. Next time, hope to meet you tomorrow.